Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers today. I have Miss Rachel.
Hi.
I have Miss Riley.
Hi.
I have Mr. Daniel.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And boys and girls, I have a question for you. Do you like blueberries?
Yeah.
Oh, they like blueberries here. And who likes ice cream?
Me.
Oh, guess what? We're gonna make blueberry almost ice cream.
I like that.
I do. You do too? Do you know what the almost means?
No.
It's not like real ice cream. There's no dairy in this. This is gonna be really good and good for you. Boys and girls, you're gonna like this one. Okay, we're gonna use blenders for this one. So boys, you have a blender, and girls, you have a blender, okay? So let's put our blender in and take the lids off. And this is Auntie Linda's recipe. Auntie Linda's a good cook, isn't she?
Uh-huh.
Okay, boy, I want Rachel and Ben to find your teaspoon. Do you know what a teaspoon looks like? Very good, Riley. That's a teaspoon. Can you find your that's it, Rachel. Very good. Now, Riley and Daniel, you find your tablespoon. It'll be a 1 with a big T and a B and an S and a P. Nope, tablespoon. This. See, it says 1 TBSP. That's 1 tablespoon. See how it's a lot bigger than the teaspoon? See that? Okay, so you guys are gonna have this, so get that. Okay, Rachel and Ben, you may put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, when you're measuring it, measure it over a container, okay? So that, I'll get yours, sweetie. Measure it over a container so that if you get too much, well, you can, but you gotta be really careful because you don't wanna get too much. Okay, Riley and Daniel, you're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. You want me to pour it or can you pour it, Daniel? You want to pour it? Pour it over here. Okay, Riley, I'll help you with yours.
I want to do it.
You want to do it? Okay, hold your tablespoon over here. Now, here, hold your tablespoon. Okay, you ready? Okay, hold it over. And then you want to dump it in. There you go. Rachel, you can dump your teaspoon in. Dump it in, Riley. Good job. And boys and girls, after you're finished, make sure you always put your lid on, okay? Because you don't want it to spill. Okay, Ben, could you go in the refrigerator and get us the almond milk? I'm using almond milk today. And who likes almond milk?
Me! I do.
It's yummy, isn't it?
Miss Cinda, there's like fuzz at the top.
Oh, that happens if you shake it or you pour it too fast, okay? Okay, so let's see. Daniel, you want to get your 1/2 cup? And Riley, find your 1/2 cup. See, it says 1, then a line and 2. Do you see that, Riley? Nope, that says 1. So that's a 1 cup. So you want 1 and a line and 2.
What next, Miss Cinda?
See? Just 1 second, Ben. Oh, Ben, can you go in the freezer while we're doing this and get me the blueberries and pineapple?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to hold this right over here? And I'll pour your milk for you. Okay? Oh, this is going to be so yummy. Who wants to try this? You can dump it in now. Who wants to eat this?
Me.
Oh!
Me.
Okay, there you go. Good job. Okay, let's get our blueberries and open them. Now, thank you, Ben. Rachel, you can put a whole cup of blueberries in there. Can you get in there and get a whole cup of blueberries? Now, when you're measuring, thank you, Ben. When you're measuring, you want to make sure you get it full. So you got a space for more blueberries there. There, that's good. Okay, pour that in. And Daniel, you want to get a cup?
I want to do it.
Rachel, can you hand Riley the pineapple and she can put the pineapple in? And Ben, you can put the pineapple in.
Okay.
And boys and girls, if you get your hands dirty, I've given you towels, okay? Whoop, we may need to get some more pineapple for Riley. Let's see. Okay, go ahead and you can put it in, Riley. Now what is Miss Cinda gonna do with the food that fell on the floor? Should I put it in there?
No.
No, that's right. Boys and girls, if something falls on the floor, make sure you throw it away, okay? Because that's dirty, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
And see what your towels are for? You can wipe your hands. Okay, you want to put the rest of this in?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Okay. All right, you guys ready?
What's this for?
Now, oh, we measured blueberries with that. Okay, that's all there is to our recipe. Isn't that simple, boys and girls?
Yeah.
Okay, put your lids on. Don't turn it on until Miss Cinda says. Go ahead, put your lid on. You can put that on, Rachel.
Miss Cinda, don't I push this button, right?
Just wait. Okay, let Rachel put the middle one on. Because what would happen if we turned our blenders on, boys and girls, and we didn't have the lids on?
Then there would be a big mess.
There would be a big mess, and we would have food everywhere. We don't want that, do we?
Nah.
No. Okay. You ready? Okay, you can turn them on. Turn it on. Oh, it's getting all blended up. And now we can talk real loud. Can you talk real loud? Okay, let's turn them off. And all right, wait, let me mix yours up a little bit. Because when it's frozen, it will get kind of stuck between the blades a little bit. Okay, now wait. Now who turned it on last time?
I did.
Okay, we're gonna let Daniel, but Riley, we're gonna let Rachel turn it on this time. Did I do yours? I don't think I stirred yours up, did I? Okay, there we go. And boys and girls, make sure that you don't ever use these blenders without an adult, because we want to be safe, so you don't ever use anything. In fact, you need an adult whenever you're in the kitchen, don't we? That's right. Okay, Rachel. Okay, Daniel, turn them on. Pull it, push it up. Good job. Turn them off. Turn them off. No. Oh, yours is almost done. Let's see. Let's stir this up a little bit more.
Now what are we going to do?
Okay, turn yours on one more time. Wait, Daniel. Let's get yours stirred up a little bit because we want it to be nice and smooth. And also, boys and girls, if it's not blending up real good, you can add just a little bit more of your soy milk. So I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? We can add just a little bit more. So what you do is, Daniel, you can pour it in, and Ben, you can take off just this, okay? And then put it on real fast, because you won't want to be splattered. And we'll do that too. So Rachel, you can take the center off, and Riley can pour in just a little bit more. You don't want a lot. Okay, you ready? Okay, turn your blenders on. Go ahead. Okay, take it off. Okay, pour it in here, Riley. Did that help yours? Yeah? Okay, turn it off. Oh, it's almost ready. Oh!
Is mine ready?
Let me see. Yours is ready. Let me see. Yours may not be. Go ahead and turn yours on again. And you know what? Let's turn yours on to this one, the blend. Okay?
Okay.
Yep. Or turn it on to this one, the puree. And you know, there's different speeds on your blender, and your mommy, a daddy, or an adult will help you with the different speeds. Okay, turn them on. Turn it on. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Let's jog it a little bit. See how I'm jogging it a little bit and it's starting to blend? Sometimes you have to do that with frozen fruit. See how it's going? How's yours doing, Ben? Okay, let's stir it up one more time because I think we're about ready to eat it. What do you think, Rachel? Does that sound good?
Yes!
Oh! Let me see. Yours is almost done. You got a big chunk of pineapple right there that just doesn't want to get blended. Oh! That's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. We have to go. Let's do blend. Yours is going. All right, I think yours is about done. You might want to turn yours off. Yours is done. Okay, theirs is done. Let's see if yours is done. You had a big piece of pineapple that just must have been too much for this little blender. Okay, you ready? There it goes. You see it? Yeah?
I'm ready to eat mine.
You're ready to eat yours, Riley?
Yes.
All right. How about if we do girls first, and then we'll do boys, okay? There's some for you.
I got a little bit.
And there's some for Rachel.
I got some for the boys.
Oh, I'll get some for the boys. There you go. Some for Daniel. Whoa.
This one looks like ice cream.
It does look like ice cream, doesn't it?
Yeah, that one. That's right. I got out my.
You may drink yours, girls, and I'll get the boys. Boys and girls, doesn't this look yummy? There you go, Daniel. Oh, do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, you can go home and teach your mommies and daddies how to make this. There, Ben. Oh, boys and girls, that's all the time we have for now. Always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.